Here is the Lego Typewriter fully assembled. It is not small. Here is my hand. It is maybe not the same size as a proper typewriter, but just about. Golly. This is a substantial model. It's heavy, but it does have a lot of moving parts, so it's also a little bit delicate. So just be careful when you're moving it around. Just took it off the shelf. So it does have moving parts. All the keys move the same little hammer at the top there. This part works. The carriage return works. Now, I thought that this thing advanced to the left whenever you typed, but it appears that I'm remembering incorrectly. Anyway. Doesn't matter. It is a display piece. It is not meant to be played with, other than maybe hitting one of those keys once in a while. But look at it. It is just fantastic. It looks so good on the shelf, too. I really like it. It was a good, because I've got a lot of stuff like Star Wars and Marvel stuff and things that are, of that nature. And this is, architecture even, but this was kind of unique in my collection, and I really like it. It's got a typewritten letter from Lego, from Denmark, about the inventor. And yeah, it looks fantastic. I think it was 2,000 pieces, if I'm remembering correctly. So not a quick build, but look at the finished product. It looks fantastic. 10 out of 10.